जहाँ सपनों को आवाज़ मिलती है, वहीं से तो पहचान की शुरुआत होती है. What if the movement you call ordinary are actually the ones that shape you forever? That's where Arihant begins, not as a club, but as a canvas, a space where ideas turn into expressions, where people turn into performers, and where silence turn into rhythm.
In Nazariya, we don't just click pictures, we pause time. We capture emotions before they fade, laughter before it changes, and stories before they disappear.
In Kalakriti, a blank sheet isn't empty. It's waiting, waiting for colors, waiting for imaginations, waiting for hands brave enough to create something that didn't exist before.
With Pratigya, the stage lights come on, and so do we. In theatre, we step into the truth that matters. We feel deeply, we speak boldly, and we learn that expression is power.
Then comes Veera. The heartbeat rises, the floor vibrates. Every step carries discipline, every moment carries fire. Dance becomes more than choreography, it becomes confidence, you can see.
And in Sur Sargam, voices rise together. Different tones, one harmony, one emotion, and one moment that sends chills across a silent audience. Behind every performance are late rehearsals, shared laughter, missteps, second takes, and friendship built in between. Arihant isn't about performance, it's about presence, it's about passion, and it's about people coming together to create something unforgettable.